Our today's session is kinetic and potential energy and the law of the conservation of energy. Uh, Kinetic and potential energy is important in the photon production and the electron interaction with the atom. Namaste, myself JVN Gaurav Goyal from Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostic. Kinetic energy. The kinetic energy of a body is the energy possessed by it on account of its motion. For example, moving car. Second is water flow, etc. For a body of mass m moving with a velocity v, the kinetic energy is given by the formula half mv square joule. Joule is the unit of the kinetic energy. Potential energy. The potential energy of a body is the energy it possesses by the virtue of its position or state of strain. Means when a thing or a body is in rest, then the energy of the body is the potential energy. Examples are water stored up in the reservoir, a wound spring, compressed air, etc. For a body of mass m remaining at rest at a height h above the ground, the potential energy is equal to the work done in raising the body from the ground to that height. The work done is equal to force multiplied by displacement is equal to mgh. Potential energy is equal to mgh. The unit of the potential energy is joule, where g is the acceleration due to gravity. Conservation of energy. According to the law of conservation of energy, energy can neither be created or nor destroyed, but energy can be transferred from one form to another form. This law holds good for all form of energy. As objects move around over time, the energy is associated with them. Example: kinetic, gravitational potential, heat might change forms, but if energy is conserved, then the total will remain the same. Conservation of energy applies only to isolated system. Means the conservation of energy law is only applied the system or body which is isolated. A ball rolling across a rough floor will not obey the law of conservation of energy because it is not isolated from the floor. Means if ball rolling across a rough floor, then it not obey the law of the conservation of energy. It is not under the law of the conservation of energy. This session is over. The session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jayoti Vidyapith Women's University, Jaipur. Thank you. हीट ट्रांसपेरेंट कभी लिया, फिर ये यहीं से यूट्यूब चले जाएँ।